Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
It is all about your eyes. Dear viewers, this is a video about Acuity Eye Center, the specialists in diseases, surgery and lasers of the eye. Here is the table of agenda. Welcome message. The importance of what occurs between each patient and his or her physician, each day, represents the core of an organization's entire operation. Serving patients first and every person as an individual is our privilege and honor. Acuity Eye Center offers a complete range of general and specialized medical and surgical eye care. The Eye Center's diagnostic and consultation clinics are located in two locations. Venue 1 is in the south end of Lahore at 14G3 WAPDA Town, Lahore, Pakistan. Venue 2 is at Hamid Latif Hospital, 33 Abu Bakr Block Fairazpur Road, Lahore. It is here that the examination rooms and diagnostic services are managed by competent ophthalmologists and their well-trained ancillary staff. Lasers and surgical procedures are carried out in the Venue 2 Hamid Latif Hospital building, which houses a dedicated operation theater that caters to a complete range of procedures for the anterior and posterior segment, the front and back of the eye. The operation theater is fully equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including operating microscopes and superb and up-to-date equipment for anterior segment and retinal surgery. Clinical expertise together with the most advanced technology is necessary to deliver outcomes that are at par with international standards. For the comfort and ease of our patients, there is a separate eye daycare surgery intake area where patients and their attendants can rest and be prepared for surgical procedures. Our slogan at Acuity Eye Center is, "All about your eyes." This is our vision. Acuity Eye Center helps to prevent and cure visual impairment. It is also our duty to create public awareness about the issues related to eye care in Pakistan and developing countries across the globe. AAC is dedicated to excellence in the care of disorders that affect the eye. We at Acuity Eye Center are committed to provide the best possible services in eye care, through continual improvements of our systems, processes, technology. The competent professionals with a progressive mindset are the key to delivery of these services. We will achieve our vision by providing exceptional clinical care, conducting cutting-edge research in the field of ophthalmology, contributing towards teaching of tomorrow's leaders and today's medical community. Acuity Eye Center is a state-of-the-art comprehensive eye care facility rendering services to patients with eye problems. Presently, Dr Mazhry and Associates are providing eye care services to the patients approaching the center from Khyber to Karachi. The center is offering a wide range of modern ophthalmic surgical and laser solutions, including phaco surgery, laser removal of glasses, femtolasik, laser treatment for diabetic retinopathy, squint, ptosis and medical retina, etc. Please meet our team, striving to provide all that your eyes need. You need no worry, we at Acuity Eye Center are safe, secure, skillful and competent. Meet Dr Mazhry FRCS, FCPS. He is Associate Professor, a competent eye and laser surgeon. His credentials are right in front of you. He has got fellowships from Royal College of Surgeons Edinburgh, Glasgow and College of Physicians and Surgeons of Pakistan. With an experience of more than 25 years in ophthalmology, he is associated with this clinic for more than 12 years. Dear viewers, have a look on glimpses of our portfolio from state-of-art facilities for comprehensive eye examination, to latest arrangements for laser and surgical eye solutions. Eye care interventional services, all that your eyes need. Laser surgery, after cataract removal by YAG laser. PRK-LASIK and femtolasik are offered for removal of glasses. Medical and surgical management of glaucoma, trabeculectomy with and without antennae, valve implants. Cryo and lasers are also available. Ptosis and squint surgery, treatment of drooping lids and deviated eyes. Phaco surgery. Ultrasonic emulsification of cataract is offered with latest foldable monofocal, 2-rig or multifocal intraocular lens implantation, targeting less or no dependence on spectacle lenses. Medical retina intraocular anti-VEGF therapy, argon laser treatment, for treatment of diabetic and other retinopathies. Variety of corneal surgery options are available, like cross-linkage for keratoconus, penetrating keratoplasty, corneal tear repairs, etc. Dr. Mazhry's special interests in eye surgery include management of childhood cataract, management of dislocated and subluxated crystalline and intraocular lenses. Have a look on our timeline. The story started in January 1977. Professor Wasif M. Kadri started his eye clinic at Razi Polyclinic, Shadman Market. May 5, 2005. Dr. Mazhry joined Professor Wasif M. Kadri's clinic as consultant ophthalmologist. Ophthalmic services were started at Acuity Eye Center Venue 1 on January 1, 2010. On March 10, 2013, Acuity Eye Center Venue 2 opened at Hamid Latif Hospital, Lahore. Professor Shafi Memorial Gold Medal 1996 by Ophthalmological Society of Pakistan was awarded to Dr. Mazhry on presenting the best paper of year 1996, treatment of endophthalmitis with intravitreal injections in Lahore Ophthalmo 1996. Dr. Mazhry received Professor Raja Mumtaz Award 1998 by Ophthalmological Society of Pakistan on presenting the best scientific paper of year 1998, secondary IOL implantation problems and their management during Lahore Ophthalmo 1998. Gold medal by Ophthalmological Society of Pakistan Hyderabad chapter. On best presentation of year 2011. Pediatric cataract surgery with hydrophobic acrylic single-piece foldable PCIOL implantation. Gold medal by Ophthalmological Society of Pakistan Hyderabad chapter was again awarded to Dr. Zia-ul Mazhry on best services in ophthalmology at national level for year 2014. Please have a look on clients' testimonials by Acuity Eye Center clients. Mr. Aleem Dar, legendary international cricket umpire. Mr. Azhar Zaidi, ex-national team cricket manager. Mr. Abdul Rauf, ex-director WAPDA Pakistan. Mr. Shahid Mahmood, a businessman by profession. You can find us on following social media. Dear viewers, here are the answers to frequently asked questions. How can we visit Acuity Eye Center? You need to fix an appointment with our staff for any venue you choose. Which technology is used for cataract surgery for Acuity Eye Center patients? Phaco emulsification is the latest technique being practiced for our patients. We implant all kind of advanced technology intraocular lenses, like TRIG and multifocal IOL implants. What about glaucoma treatment? Glaucoma is an irreversible but fully preventable cause of blindness. Timely diagnosis is made by detailed and thorough examination of every patient approaching the center. Variety of medical, laser and surgical options for glaucoma treatment are available at our center. Can you guide us about treatment for removal of glasses? Excimer laser is the technology used to reshape the cornea. Treatment is generally undertaken for myopia after 20 years of age. The decisions are tailored individually, after careful refraction, detailed eye examination, and corneal topography. The bladeless removal of glasses with femtolasik is also available. Here are our contact details. Thank you for your attention.